वो भी बता रहे हैं डॉक्यूमेंट्स, कहीं और से डॉक्यूमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, ये कहां से आ रहा है?
अमित शाह किसके लिए आए थे आप?
अमित शाह यही हम कह रहे हैं कि यही काम था, तो जैसे भी जिस भी तरह वो फाइलें वहां से हटाए ताकि उनके ऊपर कोई आंच ना आए, उनका घपला पूरा खुल न जाए।
वेदर इज सक्सेस वो लेके गया ऐसा आपको लग रहा है?
I want to ask you.
इज इट कंफर्म?
यदि वो ले जाते हैं तो कुछ दिनों में हम जान जाएंगे, मनोहर पर्रिकर को वो हटाएंगे।
नहीं सर, आप
सुनिए मेरी बात।
करना चाहते हैं अमित शाह को?
सुनिए मेरी बात, अमित शाह जी के पास यदि वो फाइलें आए तो ब्लैकमेल नहीं कर पाएंगे कोई। जब तक वो फाइलें किसी के पास हैं तब तक वो उन लोगों को हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे।
कि आपको क्या लगता है गोवा से मूव हुआ है फाइल?
पता नहीं सारे मूव हुए कि कुछ फाइल्स मूव हुए, लेकिन ये हम जानकारी रखे हुए हैं कि वो आए थे फाइलें ले जाने के लिए।
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Please.
This is all your speculations, right?
No, sir.
Okay, one minute. Now, with that audio which was released about a month back, that many people have said that files, he has said that there are files in his bedroom, and then you have demanded that his bedroom be raided. Given all those instances, do you think Mr. Parrikar will keep those files in his bedroom, or will he keep it somewhere else, or would he prepare another set of those files?
That's what I'm saying.
No,
Right. What was the
Given his-
need
given his
for Mr. Amit Shah to come here?
It's all speculation.
No, why? What was the need?
Huh?
Where was the meeting? Where was the fire?
He had gone to meeting.
He did not even utter a word about mining. Please, the whole BJP was throbbing big about mining.
What transpired between them?
But there was never anything about mining from Mr. Amit Shah ji.
That's okay. What transpired between them, we don't know.
We don't know.
Because it was in their bedroom again.
You can say that. But we know, and therefore we are coming with a statement. We are saying, and we have always been pointing out, that there is much more than meets the eye insofar as Parrikar's involvement as the Honorable Defence Minister of the state is concerned. He has partaken into every step of the corrupt approach of the union government, where the Prime Minister of India has opened the doors, so to say, and allowed Mr. Ambani to steal away 30,000 crores. And this has been well covered by the Chaukidar of Goa, who's as much corrupt as that of the Chaukidar of India. And therefore, by calling Chaukidar Chor hai in relation to the Indian government, I am saying, or the Congress is saying, that Goa ka Chaukidar bhi Chor hai. About Parrikar, the Honorable Defence Minister of India. He was the minister then. Did he put a separate note, investigate Manu? Did he say this should not be permitted? It appears, Manda, कि ते checking करता, अरे सारखे हैं, कितने checking करता ते आम्ही जाणा. त्यांना हो विषय असा की ज्यांना हायेस्ट लेवल चोर ठरता त्यांना त्याचे सगळे लिंकेजेस जे असतात हे चोर ठरले नाही. कारण मनोहर पर्रिकर बाब डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर असताना ही डील झाल्या, प्रायमरी डील त्यांना झाल्या, आणि 2000 त्यांना डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर म्हणून नशिलो मनोहर पर्रिकर. निर्मला सीतारामन आशिल्ली 2018 सालात. सप्टेंबर 2018 सालान निर्मला सीतारामन मुख्य ही आशिल्ली डिफेन्स. Defense Minister.
So what is your demand now?
The demand is both should be investigated.
So would you file a complaint or something? Anything?
That the Congress party is contemplating. In Delhi, there is contemplation.
See,
Because they should pay for almost at the point of treason against this country.
we are talking about Goa, sir.
I'm talking about both.
We are talking about both.
Yeah.